I'm Denise Haynes from R R Property, the real estate agency for the Mid-Coast area, and I've been working with Excel for about 4 months now, and I highly recommend them, and I in fact recommended them to someone this morning. So I am always on the scout for a great business, and these guys are wonderful.
Fantastic.
They help me with payroll and all of our invoicing, so incoming invoices and payments and everything, and just financial advice, accounting advice as well, and transactions. Yeah, basically they've come in and organised me because I'm the business owner plus I'm a selling agent. And I do all the marketing for our business as well. I'm incredibly busy, so I'm helicoptering, trying to keep everything in control. So these guys have helped me to get my bookwork under control, and they've helped me be more organised as a business and financially as well. Look, I've found them really excellent and so helpful, so very, very caring. It's not just a business, they're a family, and they treat you and take you in like you're their family, and they want to give you the best service that they possibly can. And I honestly would say that they go above and beyond to make sure that you're okay as a business and as a person.